Evening everyone, my name is Rahma Ajandula, and at you can see sa video is nagdo-drawing ako ng dalawang poem, which is the to the Virgin Mary, and the second one is to Goodbye to Leonor. So this is the explanations of this report. The first one, to the Virgin Mary. So bakit ito sinulat ni Dr. Jose Rizal? So sinulat ni Dr. Rizal ang poem na to because this poem is a prayer and expression of devotion to the Virgin Mary. Rizal sought her guidance and protections. So, anong sumisimbolo sa poem na to? Why Dr. Jose Rizal wrote this poem? So, the poem symbolizes Rizal's deep faith and his hope in the divine. It also reflects his desire for peace and unity in his homeland. The next one is the Goodbye to the Leonor. So, why Dr. Jose Rizal wrote this poem? So, Dr. Jose Rizal wrote this poem because this poem is a farewell to the Philippines, his homeland. It's not about Leonor Rivera. Through it's often misinterpreted. So, na-interpret nila daw yung tulang ito ni Dr. Jose Rizal dahil ang tula daw na to ay itong tula na to ay hindi daw ito para kay Leonor Rivera, bagamat madalas sabihin na sinisimbolo ni Rizal yung poem na ito because parang pamamaalam daw ni Rizal sa kay Leonor Rivera nung malaman niyang may married na si Leonor. Pero so yun. So anong sumisimbolo sa poem na to ni Dr. Jose Rizal? So the poem symbolizes Rizal's deep love for his country and his longing for its freedom. It also shows his sadness of living and his hopes for better future for his Philippines. So yun na nga. Ang sumisimbolo sa tulang ito ay ang pagmamahal ni Rizal sa kanyang bayan at sa kanyang pagnanais para sa kalayaan nito. So ipinapakita rin nito yung kanyang pagdadalamhati sa pag-alis sa kanyang bayan. So that's all. Thank you so much.